welcome to Candi Entertains. Today I'm making a really fun recipe for you. It's my mushroom flatbread pizza. So we're going to start by sauteing about 20 ounces of sliced cremini mushrooms in some olive oil, no salt, we're going to salt later, but olive oil, butter, and onions. Let's get started. So the mushrooms are cooking down really nicely. You want to saute them for about 10 to 12 minutes until they brown and caramelize. So while our mushrooms are sauteing, I'm going to put together our sauce for the flatbread. We're going to start with a cup of whole milk ricotta, and to that we're going to combine some store-bought pesto. So we're making like this cool white pesto sauce to be our base. And once the mushrooms are done, we're going to do a cup of marsala wine just to infuse into the mushroom topping. And then we have about a cup of mozzarella cheese, some fresh thyme leaves, and then some of my favorite goat cheese crumbles will be on top. Let's put it all together. So we're going to put about a third cup of your favorite pesto in there. And pesto's full of basil and garlic, Parmesan cheese. It's so delicious. And this will be the base of our pizza. Instead of tomato sauce, it's a white ricotta pesto. Perfect. So from there, we just want a nice thin layer of about a cup of mozzarella cheese right over the top. I usually buy the shredded, but if you want to buy the other kind, you can. And then we'll add those beautiful sauteed mushrooms and then our goat cheese crumbles. Pop it in the oven. So our mushroom marsala mixture is finished. We're just gonna evenly distribute the mushroom mixture right over top down each flatbread. This recipe is great to make just for a nice lunch, or I even serve it sometimes as an appetizer if I'm having happy hour at my house or a cocktail party. Some nice white wine. Just cut it up into nice little squares. It's absolutely divine. Our pizza is almost ready for the oven. We just need our finishing touch, and that is our goat cheese crumbles. You just want to crumble it right across the top. And then we'll pop it into a 350-degree oven for about 15 minutes, just until the cheese melts. And then just a little fresh cracked pepper right across the top. Pop it in the oven. So our mushroom flatbread pizza is out of the oven. It cooked for about 20 minutes. Now we're just gonna do a nice balsamic glaze drizzle. And that's just the finishing touch to this delicious pizza. All right, it's time for the fun part, time to taste. So real quick, my entertaining tip. If you're having a party or some friends over, it's nice to cut these into cute squares and just put them on a nice platter and people can take a bite, take a sip of their drink. Yeah. So delicious. The ricotta is so creamy and that pesto really comes through, and the mushrooms are delicious. I guarantee if you don't like mushrooms, try this recipe, you will change your mind. If you like what you see and want to see more cool videos, don't forget to hit subscribe. Thank you for watching.